Thank you, James. My name is JTambwe, Project Manager. My deepest thanks to our chairman for his support and great determination, and each of you for your warm presence. Frederick Stanley founded in 1843 his business. Original business model to produce high-quality bolt, ingot, and other hardware for the benefit of builders. 49 manufacturing plants in the United States, 71,300 employees, including 19,000 in the United States. The current operation, the merge of the manufacturing company of Frederick Stanley and Duncan Black and Alonzo Decker to form Stanley Black and Decker Incorporated, pour short or more share. The Stanley Black & Decker Most Admired Dimension come from Fortune Media 2022. The importance, the public perception of reputation of organization value as an opportunity. Second, help CEO and manager carefully monitor and manage the organization. People management usually explicit value and standard preferred do not focus on employee. Integrating the value and the culture of diversity and inclusion is more administrative decision than an organizational change. Stanley Black & Decker weakness of culture negatively influence organization performance. Ramifications are innovation and social responsibility dimension. The consequence, the lack of employee involvement and commitment, the stiff employee potential for creativity and innovation. In the absence of case of substantial intervention, the centralization of authority built a fire in the absence of sharing of certain responsibility between leader and employee. The inability to build the sense of community necessary for the greatest organization development. The internal strength, senior leadership produces diversity and inclusion agenda in 2021 and the value people-centered management in 2022. External forces, the rise of the new generation, the opportunity of the people management score, the struggling dimension, adherence to the culture of diversity of manager, employee, and other stakeholders in change, more collaborative and flexible structure as organic structure improve the reputation of value. The organization culture, people first, diversity, increased team effectiveness, adherence of leader and employee to the culture is a source of organization effectiveness. Employee complete the goal. The lack of ownership of conscious leadership include pretest transactional leadership and oppressive influence tactics. Poor employee integration in stakeholder orientation. The organization prioritizes financial profitability above all else. Lack of conscious culture include the leader do not embody employee-centric value and culture, lack of caring, listening, trusting, empowering, teaching, advising, and valuing the people. In the process step for leading change from core, all stakeholders will become aware and feel a deep need for the importance of the urgently solving the problem of people management. From this point, it will be necessary to gather and select all the stakeholders in the project who are motivated and able of achieving the assigned objective. More clarification should be provided to select members on the strategic vision and the possible initiatives. It is a question of explaining to them the advantage of improving people management on the odd problematic situation and the contribution for everyone to be effectiveness of the improvement with the help and initiative that support the vision of change. After the in-depth evaluation of the people selected, all the stakeholders who fit with the expectation and objective of the project and can commit to it must be retained. To achieve the effectiveness of the new team, it will be necessary to banish the possible obstacle for mistrust, power, or objective influence. It is important to recognize everyone's contribution, communicate effectively, and increase the motivation of the member. Also, Early successes are consolidated with the reinforcement of improvement in organization system, structure, and policies until the required change is completed. Finally, in the institution of change, it is important to perpetuate new behavior related to the organization's success. The plan to address effect of organic structure restructuring on performance is a reduction of stress and increase of motivation and the reinforcement of effective communication, restructuring centered and organizational positioning for the future. The plan to address personal resistance is increase awareness of the benefit of the change for all stakeholders. Plan to address the power under threat is strengthen manager awareness of the benefit of delegating tasks to other employees. Key points learned. Adopt the design of constructive structure and not dysfunctional structures. Embrace the creation of strong and constructive structure and reject the creation of weak and dysfunctional culture. Adopt the approach of planning for change and not that of conformism. Our sincere thanks to our chairman and everyone for your presence and interest in this presentation. Thank you, thank you, thank you.